My dear ones, as you know that today again you have been given a topic as per your choice, but you must not repeat the topic that we spoke upon on last Saturday. So first of all, I have got some names like Rohit, Harsh, Harshit, Rakshit, Sushil. Okay. So first of all, I am calling Rohit
Yes, sir.
to speak upon his topic. So yes, Rohit, start.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Adam. Today I'm going to tell you about which life is better, the life of 20s or 90s. As you all know that the real meaning of life is to enjoy or in life everyone wants to get success, and in the age of in the century of in the 19th century, everyone enjoyed his or her life, but in now in 20s everyone is in the is in a everyone in the society is watching mobile or watching many things like reels or YouTube, these types of things in mobile. And in all time, everyone spend time with the family, and there was a nature of joy. Everyone enjoyed their life in the 90s, but now in 20s everyone is watching mobile and these types of things. In old time there were people who always work hard, and there were not much diseases in old time. And nowadays there are a lot of diseases, and the reason for this is that everyone that no one does exercise like walking, running, or these type of exercises. No one do. And in old time, people do a lot of people did a lot of hard work so that they do not get they did not get ill. And nowadays is a child is getting heart attack. And in old time, no one got died with the heart attack. So in my way, I think that nowadays the mobiles and the TVs, and because of these science the gadgets, we are becoming unhealthy. And in old time these were not there, so life was very good. That's it.
Very good. Okay. Now, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is real meaning of life. As we are living our life by our own choice, and we cannot give our life to any other person by doing it his or her things
Hmm.
with our struggle. And we should not sacrifice our life for others. We should spend our life with our family members, and with our relatives, and the person whom we are attached the most.
Hmm.
And life is not a joke. We should do everything in the life that we can do for it. We we should do
Hmm.
all the things, all the sacrifices for our life. Like we have to study hard for our future. We have to we have to we have to earn money for our coming generation.
Hmm.
And these things we have to think for our future and for our present. And if we are really सर जीने को क्या बोलेंगे
Want live, Gina, live.
if we are really living our life, then we should not think about our past or the thing which has happened with us in past. We should forget our past but we should not forget our past mistakes that we have done before. We should remind we should remember them always in our mind, that I have done this mistake in past, and we should not repeat it. We should try to recover it by doing that work again without no mistake. So this is the real meaning of life. The meaning of life is not that if any burden or pressure has come to our mind,
Hmm.
so we are going to sacrifice our life. We are killing ourselves. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash.
गुरुजी B18 वालों का क्या टॉपिक है?
Any, your choice. लिख तो दिया मैंने चैट बॉक्स में. Yes. Now, Harshit.
Uh, yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mura. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes.
Hmm.
Today's my topic is television. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, as you all know very well, that television is very important for our day-to-day life. It is very important for us in any type of tasks. It is useful for everyone, whether he is a student or he is a uh, uh, employee,
Hmm.
or uh, for for housewives also.
Hmm.
Uh, Television is very important for uh, these all, as well as for students. Like for students, there are sometimes some classes on television that are running from the time of COVID
ध्यान
19.
दो.
Uh, and it is also useful for housewives. There are the programs of making food, uh, uh, and news, and other type of things. And it is also useful for a employee, a student, a worker, and anyone. That is news, which we can get from television. And by listening the news, we may make ourselves understand that what is going on in the world. Uh, and this is very important for the person who are preparing for competitions. And the in that the subject is, if the subject is GK, then it is important. And It is important. It is useful for children also, as there are many programs for them of cartoons, poems, uh, by which they may make themselves happy.
Hmm.
Uh, and but uh, no, and television do not affect our
Does
eyes
not.
as much. Yes, sir, does not
और
affect our
इफेक्ट नहीं,
eyes,
अफेक्ट. वर्ब
affect
होती है
our,
अफेक्ट. हाँ.
as much as our mobile phone do.
Hmm.
Does, you know. In my view, television is very important and a necessary gift for us, that is given by science. So that's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about science. So, as we all know, that science has given us many inventions, theories about our life, etc. And first of all, I'm telling about what is the meaning of science. Science is the a world in which the science is a world of AI tools and inventions.
Hmm.
And as well know that science has given us many major inventions by which we can make our life easy. Like we can take an example, which is mobile phone, which is helping us very much in our day to day life. Like we can talk to anyone at any time, at any distance.
Hmm. Hmm.
And we can also take entertainment from mobile. And we can take online classes on mobile on by sitting at any place. And we can also watch news about the world and etc.
Hmm.
and so science so and as well as that and nowadays science has grown up very much in many fields like an education field, medical field, etc. Like we can take some examples like in education field, there are computers which are helping very much, like they, like if there is any data and we want to save it, so we can save it directly in computer. We should not
Shabash,
have to
nice one.
write, we should not have to write them in any paper,
Hmm.
and by this paper is also saved, and the data we and the data that is saved is saved for a long time, and and we should not have to do much hard work,
Hmm.
and so science has science is very useful and harmful also in our daily life,
Very good.
like if we watch mobile for a long time, our eyes gets affected very much, and then we get pain in our head and also in eyes,
Hmm.
and by and like by vehicles, there is very harmful, there is very much effect in our nature, like
इफेक्ट आएगा बेटा यहाँ पे अब.
effect.
हाँ, इफेक्ट नाउन होता है बेटा, अफेक्ट वर्ब होती है बेटा.
Okay, sir. There is much effect in our nature, and we do not get fresh air and etc. And as well as that science has also developed in transportation and field, like if we want to go anywhere, we can go in less time, and without any hard work, etc.
Hmm.
And and so we can say that science has made our life easy, but science has made people lazy
No,
also.
very good,
That's
very
it,
nice,
sir.
shabash. Now Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18.
Hmm.
And today my topic is phone.
Hmm.
As we know that we are living in age of science,
Hmm.
and science has given us many things and machines
Hmm.
like vehicle, light, phone, laptop, computer, and washing machine,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
And these things are very helpful and important for our daily life.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mobile is one of them. It
Hmm.
is very important for present time because we can't live without phone.
Hmm.
uh, Mobile is also called chal दूरभाष in Hindi,
Hmm.
and it is very important for all, like like for student it is very important because by mobile any student can take coaching on apps
Hmm.
like Utkarsh,
Hmm.
Byju's,
Hmm.
Ellen,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
So, and if any student have any doubt so he can also get solution of that question.
Very good. Hmm.
So we can say that it is also important for student,
Hmm.
and mobile is also important for women.
Women. अच्छा बोलो,
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Yes, sir. Mm, like any women doesn't know how to cook any dish, so she can also get knowledge about that dish,
Hmm.
and and she can also learn about that dish.
Hmm.
And you know very well that there are many uh, robbers, and so any woman has any problem, so she can also contact to police, and police will solve his sorry police will solve her problem.
Hmm.
and there are many apps in our mobile phone like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook,
Hmm.
and calendar,
Hmm.
and camera,
Hmm.
etc. And these apps are very helpful us, like camera, and by camera we can capture any photo, and we can see it anytime.
Hmm.
And there is also app whose name is WhatsApp.
Hmm.
uh, in WhatsApp we can also share our status,
Hmm.
and uh, and uh, and if our father or our sister is far from us, so we can contact
सो क्यों लगा रहे हो?
them. Yes sir.
सो क्यों लगा रहे हो? सो की जरूरत ही नहीं है यहाँ पर.
Yes sir. uh, so,
अरे सुनो.
sir,
नहीं, तुम तो
sorry.
बोलते रहो, तुम तो बोलते रहो.
Yes sir. We can contact them on
अरे सुनो.
video call, face to face.
सुन रही हो क्या?
And there is also app whose name is
अरे सुन रही हो क्या?
calculator, and it is very important for shopkeeper, because
ये लाइट बंद
shopkeeper
करो, मच्छर आ
can
रहे हैं.
calculate big
गेट खुला
numbers
हुआ है क्या
in a
गेट का?
very short time.
छोटी लाइट जला दे बेटा.
uh, and
गेट खुला हुआ है
and
क्या
uh,
गेट का?
and we can also save our time by its apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and Blanket, etc. Because we can buy anything by these apps,
Hmm.
and so we can say that mobile is very important. But now some people use it for long time, so they have headache,
बेटा इसको भी
uh,
बंद कर दे.
and also uh, and also eyesight.
बंद कर दे लाइट को.
So at last I want to say that we should use
गेट को खोल के बाहर
mobile,
की जला दे
but
बेटा.
for
ये
limit
निकल जाएंगे
time.
मच्छर.
So that's it.
Okay, very good. Now I am calling Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Verma, and I am the student of Rambat Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today, my topic is practice. We all know that we are students of Rambat Online Classes, and we can able to
है.
today we can
वी कैन एबल कैसे हो जाएगा? कैन लगा दिया ना, फिर एबल की क्या जरूरत है? वी आर एबल.
we are able today sorry today we are able to speak English, and with the help of practice, and we all know that practice is the most important thing for us, and it is very useful, and without practice we can't do any work perfectly, and practice is the most important thing for all, and without practice we can't do any work, and with the help of practice we can able to achieve our goals,
अरे वी आर एबल
and
टू क्या कर रही है?
we are able to achieve our goals with the help of practice, and we can take many examples for it, like we all know that mothers cook food daily for for family, and mothers cook food tasty and delicious daily because it is happen by practice.
इट इज हैपन नहीं, इट हैपेंस. वर्ब फॉर्म की बहुत गलती करती है तू.
It happens by practice, and second example it that a student does his homework on first day. His handwriting is very dirty, but when he does more and more practice and do more and more work, when he become very good he become he becomes a good person, and his handwriting becomes good also. And we all know that practice is the most important thing, and it is the key of success also. And nowadays, today we are able to speak English, and we all know that it, it is Rajiji sir, Rajiji sir gave many sentence to
बेटा एक नेट बंद
practice,
कर देना बेटा.
and now we are able to speak English also, and practice is the most important useful thing, and it is the key of success also. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा कर बेटा.
सर
हाँ
सर
हाँ
मैं और रक्षित क्लास छोड़ सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ ठीक है बेटा. हाँ लक्की.
बाय सर, गुड नाइट सर.
ओके बेटा, गुड
Bye,
नाइट.
sir. Good night,
बाय
sir.
बेटा, गुड नाइट बेटा. हाँ बेटा बोलो लक्की. लक्की बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Behra. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 16. Today I am telling about Bharat. We all know that we live in Bharat. Bharat is beautiful and great country. Bharat got freedom in 15 August 1947. This is called Independence Day. This is celebrated on 15 August every year. In the world, Bharat has second number in population, seven number in area. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, and now Shri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of Bharat. This is a great Prime Minister of Bharat. We all know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Bharat, but nowadays our president is Draupadi Murmu, is the president of Bharat. We all know that many religions people live in Bharat, like Hindu, Muslim, Gujarati, Marathi, etc. Bharat has 28 states and like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Ladakh is the coldest state in Bharat. And Rajasthan is the hottest state of Bharat. And Goa is the smallest state of Bharat. Many festivals are celebrated here with joy and happiness. Jan Gan Man is the great anthem of India, Bharat, and Vande Mataram is the great song of Bharat. There are many visiting places in Bharat, like Taj Mahal, Nargad Fort, Jagat Fort, Jantar Mantar, etc. We all know that Bharat is the developing country. 1 year ago, the ISRO was launched a Chandrayaan 3.
ISRO was launched कैसे करोगे? ISRO launched करोगे? ISRO तो सब्जेक्ट है.
Yes, sir. ISRO launched Chandrayaan 3. Bharat has many types of armies like Black Commando, Navy, Air Force, Water Force, etc. Bharat has many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Chambal, etc. We all know that lotus is the national flower of Bharat, and cheetah is the national animal of Bharat. Ganga is the biggest river of Bharat. It is about 2,525 kilometers. Howrah Junction is the biggest junction of Bharat. Thar Desert is the biggest desert of Bharat. Yes, that's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा। आज थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ गई तुम्हारी। यू आर इंक्रीजिंग द लेंथ, वेरी गुड। कोशिश किया करो, ऐसे ज्यादा ज्यादा बोलोगे तो अच्छा फ्लो आ रहा है अब। कोशिश किया करो बस। ठीक है बेटा?
Sir,
हाँ बेटा।
can I leave?
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, जाओ।
Thank you. Bye, sir.
ओके बेटा। यस, नाउ रौनक।
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I study in Ramba Interactive Classes, and today's my topic is games. As you know that games is very nice. Uh, Games create our physical health. First of all, outdoor games. Many outdoor games, just like cricket, football, basketball, kabaddi, RSS, etc. But I like RSS. RSS create our physical health. Uh, and second, indoor games. Many types of indoor games, just like Ludo, Carom, Subsidy, etc. We play with our family. The indoor games is very enjoying to us. And online games. Many types of online games, just like PUBG, BGMI, Winzo, Zupi, etc.
और भी है क्या?
That is that is that is very bad games for
खोल दे, खोल दे, खोल दे।
children. For children. Um, but but many
इसको भी
games
खोल दे।
is very nice. Uh, uh, but
सब कुछ
outdoor
कर दे
games
बेटा।
is very nice.
हम्म,
I like outdoor games very much. That's it.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, अच्छा है। कोशिश करते रहो बस। एंड नाउ वैष्णवी।
यस सर।
कहाँ थी बेटा कल?
सर एक्चुअली वो मेरे को स्टमक पेन हो गया था।
अच्छा अच्छा, अब ठीक है?
यस सर।
ओके बेटा, बोलो बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today my topic is my state. In India, there are 29 states or 7 union territories. And Rajasthan is the biggest state of India. And its capital is Jaipur,
शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे बोलती रहे बेटा।
which is called Pink City. And the there are 31 districts and
आराम से बोलो बेटा, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना?
and the local language of Rajasthan is Marwadi.
शाबाश।
And its traditional food is dal bati churma. And its traditional sweet is ghevar.
Very good.
And our honorable Chief Minister is Mr. Bhajanlal Sharma. And our former Chief Minister is Mr. Ashok Gehlot.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, बोलती रहे बेटा। हाँ।
And there are many tourist places like Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Birla Mandir.
हाँ हाँ, बोल बोल, आराम से बोल, बिल्कुल मत घबरा।
etc. I like my state very much. It is a very beautiful state. And it is a desert area.
It has
a desert area. And it is the largest state of India. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. Shabash. Nice efforts. Keep it up, beta. Good going.
Thank you, sir.
Now, very good, beta. Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Sahu. Today, my topic is modern age. As we all know, we all are human beings and we all live in modern age. So, first of all, we should know about the means of modern age. Modern. What is the means of modern? The means of modern is running in trending. Which is running in trending?
सब लोग
It
सुना
is
करो ध्यान से. हाँ.
it is the means of modern. In the modern age, we can see the development is increased day by day. With because of it, the life of human become easy. There are no much problems in human's life. We have transport, we have internet, and we have so many electric items with we can we can do so many things which are so hard in old times,
वर आएगा ना. आर कैसे आएगा?
which were so hard in old times. the the four thing the specialty of modern age is science field, knowledge, etc. Because of science we can see the development is increased. Without science
इज इंक्रीजिंग बोलोगे ना. इज इंक्रीज कैसे हो जाएगा? क्या कर रही है आज?
is increasing day by day.
वर्क फ्रॉम गलती में. हाँ.
Without science, the modern age is useless. In the modern age, we can also see the girls. The girls have their own independence. In the old time, there were no independence for girls. But now
there was no independence. Independence is uncountable.
there was no independence
ध्यान
for.
रखो थोड़ा सा. ग्रामेटिकल भी ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा आप चीजों का.
ठीक है सर. But now but now the girls have.
Sir, sir, may I leave?
Yes. जाना तो नहीं चाहिए वैसे, पर आप जा सकते हो. हाँ.
The girls are not locked in the houses. They also go in every field and do fight equally than boys. The present age In the present age, there is no difference in poor and rich. All people have their own rights. In the modern age, we can see every people and every
people कैसे है? कितनी बार मैंने कहा है people plural होता है.
all people.
ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा सा. कितनी बार तेरे को बता दिया मैं.
All people study because the present age, if we want to become a successful person, we have knowledge. We have to get knowledge. Present age is also called the age of books. But as the present age has so many qualities, but as we know, a coin has two sides, head and tail. The present age is also like that. The present age has so many disadvantages. This benefit like
टीवी बंद करो तुम्हारा. अरे माइक बंद करो अपना आदित्य.
This benefits like in the present age because of vehicles there are a lot of pollution.
There is
lot of pollution
बहुत
in
गलती
the
करती है. सिंगुलर प्लूरल में और वर्ब में बहुत ज्यादा गलती करती है. टूटा फूटा ही रह जाएगा. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है तेरा मामला. बोल.
lot of pollution in environment. There are no fresh air. There are no fresh foods.
अरे भैया there is no fresh air.
There is no fresh air. There is no fresh food. All things come with chemicals. In the present age, we in the present age we destroyed our nature by ourselves. It is not only harmful for us but also harmful for our next generation. Thank you, sir. That's it.
ओके, ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा, करेक्टनेस का ध्यान रख, इनकरेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा बोलती है तू। थोड़ा सा फोकस करेगी तो ठीक होने लग जाएगा। ये अच्छी चीज नहीं है बेटा, ये समझ गए ना? बहुत ऑड लगता है ऐसे। बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो आप, लेकिन वर्क फॉर्म में आके इतनी गलतियां करना ठीक नहीं है बेटा। इसको ठीक करो थोड़ा, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा। सब कुछ थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी नाइस, बट यहाँ चीजें थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो जाती है। ठीक करो बेटा इसको थोड़ा सा। यस, ओके केशव।
Hello, my name is Keshav Goyal. I am the student of Ramban English classes. Today's my topic is Makar Sankranti. That all know that India is the country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India, like Diwali, Holi, Bhai Dooj, Dashera, वगैरह etc. But my favorite festival is Makar Sankranti because from Makar Sankranti we start on Makar Sankranti we start flying kites before 1 month of Makar Sankranti. And my friends and my brothers come at my home to fly kites, and we all enjoy on Makar Sankranti. My mother makes varieties of food on Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is not of only my favorite festival, it is of everyone's favorite festival because we fly kite and eat many kind of food. On Makar Sankranti we have to use only threads, not Chinese manja and plastic manja. Because of plastic and Chinese manja, birds get hurt and it is also banned. That you can also arrest because of that. Only use the threads for flying kites. My favorite festival is Makar Sankranti. That.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। कहाँ थे कल?
मुझे कल लाइट चली गई थी।
तो लाइट का क्या मतलब? मोबाइल से क्लास लेनी होती है आपको? अंधेरे में ले लेते आप तो, मोमबत्ती जला लेते। पिछले महीने 10 छुट्टी थी तुम्हारी। अभी तो क्या है, अभी तो आज 6 तारीख हुई है, अभी से प्रोग्राम चालू कर दिया तुमने। अब क्या मुझे लगता है कि 15 से कम नहीं करोगे तुम इस बार तो। ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा चीजों पे। निशांत।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My
नहीं
name
जाओगे,
is
बैठे रहो, कोई नहीं जाएगा अब। मैं आई को।
Hello everyone. My name is Nishant. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is cricket. We all know that we all know that cricket is the most followed game in India.
Very good.
We also know that we also know that hockey is our national game, but most of the peoples like
cricket.
Most of the people like cricket more than hockey. I also like cricket very much. There are 11 players in the in each cricket team.
Very good.
Cricket is a very old game. It is played in the ancient time very much. It came from England. In the India, every child like to play cricket very much. Before few days ago, India won the World Cup, T20 World Cup. In the Mumbai, there is a crowd to see the players and cheers them. Cricket is also popular in all the countries. That's it, sir.
Okay. शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो। Very good. Yes, now Aditya. आजा बेटा,
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donawat. I'm a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes.
Hmm.
Today's my topic is my grandfather.
Hmm.
My grandfather name is Mr. Buddharam Mina. He is a very nice grandfather.
Hmm.
He is a farmer.
Hmm.
He like he eat he favorite fruit is mango.
Hmm.
सर वह किसी से नहीं डरते इसका क्या होगा?
He doesn't get frightened by anyone.
He doesn't
Get
try
frightened. हाँ. He is not
get
afraid of
frightened.
anyone. ऐसे कर दो. He is not afraid from anyone. हाँ बोलो.
He is not
Afraid. छोड़ दे उस सेंटेंस को, आगे बढ़ना. यहाँ पे अटक जाएगा तो ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. फिर
he
बोलेंगे
is
उसके
not
बाद में.
afraid
हाँ, of anyone.
of anyone,
हाँ.
and he go to fields daily.
Hmm.
He he wakes up early in the morning.
हाँ, शाबाश. Hmm.
He goes to morning walk in evening.
Hmm.
He 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 is he is very hardworking in fields.
Hmm.
I like my grandfather very much. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे कोशिश किया कर. है ना, घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी. Very good. Yes, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is winter. As we know that in winter environment become cool.
Hmm.
We wear coat, woolen clothes, etc.
Hmm.
All school give winter vacation.
Hmm.
Sometimes my family go to visit. We go to village, etc.
Hmm.
We drink hot water.
Hmm.
We can't we can't drink we can't drink cold water.
Hmm.
If we don't wear jacket, woolen clothes, etc., we become ill.
Hmm.
In winter vacation, we eat गाजर का हलवा,
अच्छा.
की रोटी,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
I like winter vacation also
Hmm.
because school gives us because school give winter vacation.
Hmm.
Sometimes I think when winter vacation come and winter vacation I go
Hmm.
to make
Your voice is not clear. There is too much disturbance. नहीं आ रही आवाज.
sir.
Hmm. तो बोलता रहे, आएगी तो आ जाएगी. पूछेगा इतनी देर में तो आएगी नहीं.
सर मेरा तो हो भी गया.
चल हो गया तो ठीक है. आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही तेरी. लास्ट का रह गया थोड़ा सा. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. चल नाउ गीता आजा बेटा. शाबाश.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा. हाँ.
Hello, everyone. My name is Geeta. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18.
शाबाश बेटा. धीरे धीरे बोला आराम से.
Today my topic is money.
मनी. शाबाश.
As
Very nice topic. हाँ.
as we all know that very well, money is very important for us.
धीरे धीरे बोलती रहे. शाबाश. बिल्कुल. हाँ.
Many units are regulated by government for printing notes like Devasi, Nasir.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
uh, our all needs are fulfilled by
फुलफिल्ड
money.
हाँ फुलफिल्ड शाबाश बेटा बहुत अच्छा
Fulfilled by money.
वेरी गुड हाँ बोल बेटा शाबाश
We save our income
हम्म
in their income in banks.
हम्म our
We
income in
can't
banks
live our life without money.
हम्म
We purchase our all daily need things from money.
हाँ ठीक है नीडी थिंग्स हाँ नेसेसरी थिंग्स कोई बात नहीं बोलो आगे बोलो तुम घबराओ मत
We we do not complete our life without money.
हम्म हम्म
The finance minister the this, this units work under a finance ministry.
हम्म
The units print notes.
हम्म
That's it, sir.
ओके कोई बात नहीं बहुत अच्छी कोशिश अभी इजी टॉपिक लिया करो स्टार्टिंग में है ना बेटा अभी टॉपिक ऐसे लिया करो इजी से टॉपिक लिया करो फिर धीरे धीरे आने लग जाओगे सब करने लग जाओगे आप है ना कोई बात नहीं लेकिन बहुत अच्छा
Yes,
बोला
sir.
आपने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने शाबाश कीप इट अप बेटा यस अनुष्का
Thank you, sir.
हाँ बेटा कोशिश करते रहो बस हाँ यस अनुष्का
Namaste, sir.
खुश रहो बेटा बोल बेटा
Hello, guys. My name is Anushka Meena. Today's topic is about human empowerment. As we all know that in past time the women were not allowed to do their things on their behalf. They were only allowed to do orders of someone. But in today's time the humans were also independent. Now the women do their own things. Some of the women were stand on their own uh,
फीट
as like some of women do job in government job as like police, IPS, and in other fields. But in some areas like in village and some small towns, the women are now.
प्लूरल में इसको वुमेन्स नहीं बोलते हैं विमेन बोलते हैं बेटा प्लूरल में आगे बोल बेटा कोई
ठीक
बात
है
नहीं हो
सर.
जाएगा ठीक बोल आगे बोल
But in some area women's are not
विमेन
allowed
विमेन
to.
विमेन हाँ
Women are not allowed to do things like in village. In this time also they were not independent, like some parents thinks that girls don't study. If they study, no one will get married, no one will marry to her. And they also think that it was सर कलंकों को क्या बोलते हैं?
ब्लॉट
Brought. And some parents also think that if they teach their girls, it was brought on them. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है शाबाश कोशिश क्या करो बस सब हो जाएगा फ्लो यस नाउ आई थिंक ऑल हैव स्पोकन एंड इफ देयर इज एनीवन who can call me there is no one okay thank you very much